7th students, take your book. Today we are going to see the book exercise. After that you have writing work. Okay, so take your book, turn to page 10, evaluation. Turn to page 10, evaluation part is there. First, choose the appropriate answer. Did you take your book, children? Take it soon. Take fast. Take quickly. Okay, choose the appropriate answer. Which of the following is a derived unit? Mass, time, area, length. You use your pencil and mark the answer. Okay, children, you use your pencil and mark the answer. So the answer is, which of the following is a derived quantity? Area. Then, which of the following is correct? 1 liter is equal to 1 cubic centimeter. How do we read? 1 cubic centimeter. Okay, cc. 1 liter is equal to 10 cubic centimeter. Then 1 liter is equal to 100 cubic centimeter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 cubic centimeter. Which is the correct answer? 1 liter is equal to 1000 cubic centimeter. Okay, then SI unit of density is dash. Kilogram per meter squared. Kilogram per meter cube. How do we read? Kilogram per meter squared. Okay, kilogram per meter cube or cubic meter. Then kilogram per meter, gram by meter cube or cubic meter. Okay, children. Now SI unit of density is dash. What is the answer? Kilogram per meter cube. Kilogram per meter cube. Okay, come to fourth. Two spheres have equal mass and volume in the ratio 2:1. The ratio of their density is 1:2, 2:1, 4:1, 1:4, 2:1. Okay, 2:1. Next, light year in the unit of distance, time, density, both length and time. Distance. Then fill in the blanks. Come to fill in the blanks. Volume of irregularly shaped objects are measured using the law of Archimedes. Archimedes, Archimedes, Archimedes. Okay, Archi. Listen, all of you. Listen. I am saying the answer. You listen my answer and write in the blank. Archimedes. Again, Archimedes. Archimedes. Okay. Then 1 cubic meter is equal to how many cubic centimeter? You write. Listen. How many zero will come? 1 lakh. Once. How many zero will come? 1 lakh. 6 zero will come. Yes. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Sorry, 10 lakhs. So 10 lakhs. You put 1, then 6 zero. How many zero will come? 6 zero. Now ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So how many will come? 10 lakhs. So listen again. You listen carefully. First you put 1, after you put 6 0. Okay, and how do we read? 10 lakhs. Okay, children. Then 10 lakh cubic centimeter. Okay, the next, density of mercury is dash. Second Phillips la 10 lakhs mattum eludunga. Cubic centimeter unit already is given in the book. Okay, now come to third. density of mercury is 13,600. 13,600. Then unit also we have to put, yes. So 13,600 kilogram per meter cube. Meter cube அப்படினா என்ன போடணும்? m power 3. That is cubic meter, yes. Meter cube. How do we read meter cube? How do we write cubic meter? Okay children, 13, again I read the full answer, 13,600 kilogram per meter cube. Then come to fourth question. 1 astronomical unit is equal to dash. 1 astronomical unit is equal to dash. 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter. Listen, if you have doubt, that same page from the last points, from the last point, first one, from the last first one, 1 astronomical unit is defined as the average distance between the earth and the sun. 1 astronomical unit is, the value is given in kilometer and also meter. So here 1 astronomical unit is equal to 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter. What is the answer? 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter. Okay, now come to fifth. The area of a leaf can be measured using a graph sheet. Graph sheet, graph spelling, graph, graph sheet, shwet. Now graph sheet. Okay, did you complete children? Now state whether the following statement true or false. State whether the following statement are true or false. Question number 1. The region covered by the boundary of the plane figure is called its volume. Answer is false. So if the answer is false, we have to make it correct statement. Yes or no? So that write the answer in the book itself. Write it in your book. Write the answer in your book. The region covered by the boundary of plane figure is called its area. The region covered by the boundary of plane figure is called its area. Okay, only volume is coming in the wrong statement. Correct statement area. Only area is changed. Yes. Then question number 2. Volume of liquids can be found using measuring containers. Answer true. So that statement is correct. Yes. Answer true. Now children, come to third. Water is denser than kerosene. Water is denser than kerosene. Answer is true. Right. Then right, true. Okay, so no, this statement is correct. Then fourth one, a ball of iron floats in mercury. A ball of iron floats in mercury. Answer is correct. Sentence is correct. So the answer is true. The next, a substance which, fifth one, come to see the, look at this. A substance which contains less number of molecules per unit volume is said to be denser. So the answer is false. We have to write make the correct statement. A substance which contains, here less number of molecules கொடுத்திருக்கல, அந்த இடத்துல more number of molecules per unit volume is said to be denser. only only less number changed into which number? More number. Okay, one small mistake, less number changed into more number. So the answer is a substance which contains more number of molecules per unit volume is said to be denser. Okay, then come to match the following. Come to match the following. Look at this. Column 1, area, distance, density, volume, mass. So you write the answer, you mark the correct answer, area, meter squared. Yes, area into area, area squared. So meter into meter, meter squared. Then distance, light year. That answer, that near you put the mark, you mark 2, number 2. Okay, then density, kilogram per meter cube, kilogram per meter cube. Then volume, m cube or meter cube. Okay, sorry, m cube. Okay, then next, mass, kilogram, mass kilogram. Okay, now listen, area, meter squared, distance, light year, density, kilogram per meter cube, volume, meter cube, then mass, kilogram. Okay, then this one, second, match the following. Area, length, density, volume, mass is given. Yes, so write area, plane figure, area, plane figure. Then length, rope, length, rope. Okay, next, density, gram by centimeter cube, gram by centimeter cube. Next, volume, measuring jar, measuring jar. Then mass, amount of substance. Okay, now listen, I read this again. Area, meter squared or square meter, meter squared or square meter சொல்லலாம். சரியா? எழுதும்போது distance, light year, density, kilogram per cubic meter or meter cube, volume, meter cube. Yes, m power 3. The next, mass, kilogram, mass kilogram. Next come to second match, area, plane figure, length, rope, density, gram by cubic centimeter or centimeter cube, volume, measuring jar, mass, amount of substance. Okay children, next come to arrange the following in correct sequence. Arrange the following in correct sequence. 1 liter, hundreds, 100 cubic centimeter, 10 liter, 10 cubic centimeter. You get ready to write answer. Now listen, arrange the following in correct sequence. 1 liter, 100 cc, that is cubic centimeter, 10 liter, 10 cubic centimeter. Okay, 10 cubic centimeter. Now answer, first 10 cubic centimeter, 10. Second, comma, 100 cubic centimeter. Then 1 liter, 10 liter. Okay children, 10 cubic centimeter, 100 cubic centimeter, 1 liter, then 10 liter. This is the correct sequence of this. Now look at the second question. Copper, aluminium, gold, iron. Okay, copper, aluminium, gold, iron. Answer answer aluminium, iron, copper, gold. Mark this. This is the correct sequence. Aluminium, iron, copper, gold. Aluminium, iron, copper, gold. Okay children. Okay, the next, use the analogy to fill in the blank. Yes. Now look at this. Use the analogy to fill in the blank. Yes. Question number 1. Area m squared, volume meter cube. Yes, area square meter, that is m squared, volume m cube, that is cubic meter. Then question number 2. Next come to 2. Liquid liter, solid centimeter cube, solid centimeter cube. Okay, or cubic centimeter. Then third one, water. Okay, third one, water, kerosene, then dash aluminium. Yes, answer iron. Okay children, now we completed up to this. After that, consider the following statements and choose the correct option. Yes, take this assertion and reason type questions. Make the correct choice as. First point, both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. If assertion is true but reason is false, then assertion is false but reason is true. Listen, both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Assertion அப்படினா கூற்று, சரியா? reason அப்படினா காரணம். கூற்று மற்றும் காரணம் இரண்டும் சரி. Both assertion and reason are true. Yes, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. காரணம் கூற்றிற்கான ஒரு சரியான விளக்கம். Then both assertion and reason are true. கூற்று மற்றும் காரணம் இரண்டுமே சரி, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. காரணம் கூற்றிற்கான ஒரு சரியான விளக்கம் கிடையாது, விளக்கமாக அமையவில்லை. Then if assertion is true but reason is false, கூற்று சரி ஆனால் காரணம் தவறு. Assertion is false but reason is true, கூற்று தவறு ஆனால் காரணம் சரி. All of you listen. Consider the following statement and choose the correct option. Yes, assertion, that is கூற்று, volume of a stone is found using a measuring cylinder. A reason, stone is an irregularly shaped object. Stone is an irregularly shaped object. What is the answer? Answer, listen. You can write this in your classwork note. All of you take your classwork note. Then you write lesson 1. Then write the heading measurement. Write lesson name measurement. Then you write this heading. Consider the following statement and choose the correct option. Consider the following statement and choose the correct option. Write this heading. Now assertion, you write volume of stone is found using a measuring cylinder. Then stone is an irregularly shaped object. Answer, very easy. This answer is based on this question. Yes, write this: if both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. ரெண்டுமே சரியாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா ரீசன் தான் சரியான காரணம் வந்து reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Yes, காரணம் தான் கூற்றுக்கான ஒரு சரியான விளக்கமாக எடுத்துக்கொள்ளப்படுகிறது. ஓகே, then second one, you just write the children, just write the answer. Okay, question is in your book. Yes, just write the answer. Next, second one, assertion: wood floats in water. Assertion. Now listen, second question, assertion: wood floats in water. Reason: water is a transparent liquid. If both assertion and reason are true but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. So correct explanation is density of water is more than density of wood. Density of water is more than density of wood. Write this, write the answer: if both assertion and reason are true but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Correct explanation: density of water is more than the density of wood. Okay children, write this soon, write neatly, write fast. Okay, then come to third one. Now third one, iron ball sinks in water. Iron ball sinks in water. Water is denser than iron. Yes, so if both assertion and reason are true but reason is not the right the answer children. If both, this is question, iron ball sinks in water, reason: water is denser than iron. Answer: if both assertion and reason are true but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Yes, so the correct explanation: density of iron is more than that of water. Density of iron. You no need to write the question, just write the answer in your classwork note, write neatly. Okay children, if you write in your book it not shows neatly, so that I told you to write this answer in your classwork note. Okay children, okay, density of iron is more than that of water. Okay children, write soon. Some of your handwriting is looking bad, so write neatly. You should avoid mistake. Okay, okay, then you have answered very briefly. Yes, okay, you write the heading, answer very briefly. After you write the question, I will give the answer. Now look at this. Name some of the derived quantities. Yes, area, volume, density. Area, volume, density. Write this fast. Area, volume, density. Write neatly. Name some of the derived quantities. Area, volume, density. Okay, then second question, give the value of 1 light year. Yes, give the value of 1 light year. Write this question, write the second question. I will give the answer. Look at the second question. Give the value of 1 light year. 1 light year is equal to 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. 1 light year is equal to 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. Okay children, then write the third question. Write down the formula used to find the volume of a cylinder. Write down the formula used to find the volume of a cylinder. Answer: volume of a cylinder is equal to 5 by r squared h. By r squared h. By value is 22 by 7. Okay. By value, you must know this one. By value, wherever you go, if anyone asks to you what is the value of by, what is the answer? What is your answer? What should be your answer? Your answer should be by. Value is 22 by 7. Yes. So volume of a cylinder is equal to by r squared h. Okay. Then fourth one, give the formula to find the density of object. Give the formula to find the density of objects. So formula, density formula. Density within the bracket capital D, then mass. Density is equal to mass by volume. Density என்றால் அடர்த்தி. Yes, density என்றால் அடர்த்தி. So what is density? Well, density Tamil meaning அடர்த்தி. Density Tamil meaning அடர்த்தி. Now what is density? Do you know? Do you know children? ஒரு பொருளினுடைய அடர்த்தி என்பது ஓரலகு பருமன்ல அந்த பொருள் பெற்றுள்ள ஒரு நிறை என்று வரையறுக்கப்படுகிறது. அந்த பொருள் பெற்றுள்ள ஒரு நிறை. So density is equal to mass by volume. Mass within the bracket m, volume within the bracket v. So D is equal to m by b. m நிறை கொண்ட ஒரு பொருளின் பருமன் v. எனவே அதனுடைய ஃபார்முலா mass by volume. Okay. Then write the fifth question. Fifth one, name the liquid in which an iron ball sinks. In which an iron ball sinks. Answer: iron ball sinks in water. Iron ball sinks in water. The density of iron ball is more than that of water, so it sinks in water. Write it fast. Iron ball sinks in water. The density of iron ball is more than that of water, so it sinks in water. Are you writing? Write first. Then sixth one, name the units used to measure the distance between celestial objects. Yes. Name the unit to measure the distance between celestial objects. Astronomical unit. Astronomical unit and light year are the units used to measure the distance between celestial objects. Astronomical unit and light year are the units used to measure the distance between celestial objects. astronomical unit and light year. Okay children, then one more question in answer very briefly. Yes, now seventh one, what is density of gold? What is the density of gold? Answer, density of gold is 19,300 kilogram per cubic meter or meter cube. Density of gold is 19,300 kilogram per meter cube or cubic meter. Okay, then remaining question we will see in the next class. Before that, I will give you some advice. You study book, whatever you have written in your classwork note, you study them. After that, you study your book and also you read your book. Okay children, we will meet again in the next video. Thank you all.